Friends, today I start some portion of ancient history from the point of view of plurality. Munda and Ural tribes were living in Chota Nagpur, Birjia tribe in Plamu, Bhumij in Manbhum, and Ho tribes in Singhbhum and Hazaribagh. The population of the Santhal tribe was higher in Hazaribagh in pre-medieval period, that is 8th to 12th century, while Chero Kharwar population was more in Plamu. The population of Santhals increased by bringing them in the Santhal Pragna region during the British period. Next topic, Jharkhand Vedic Age. Various Vedic literary sources describe the tribes and regions of Jharkhand in many contexts. Several sources state that most of the tribes of Jharkhand were opposed to the Vedic Aryans who were spreading to northwest India in the Rigvedic era and to North India in the later Vedic era. The name Srivas city for the town of Chaibasa is mentioned in Amarnath Das book Amarkos. According to him, the ruler of this place was Narvahana, whose son Lalitang was married to the princess of Champa. According to Aitriya's Brahmana, Chero, Sabar, and other tribes lived in the Magadha region during the Vedic period, but when the Aryans expanded to the Kikat Magad region in the later Vedic period, these people moved towards Chota Nagpur. Jaichand Vidyalankar has described in a book called Bihar is a historical referent that the Aryans built a fort on the banks of the Sun River to protect their territory. It was built by Harishchandra, the son of Trisanku. He named it Rohitaswagad on the name of his son Rohitaswa. Jharkhand Buddhism. Buddhism has a deep connection with the Jharkhand region. Dr. Viratotam, in his work Jharkhand, History and Culture, said that Jharkhand was the birthplace of Gautam Buddha, for which the facts are provided. The proof of this is the lion head from Murisia village of Plamu. This relic is currently preserved in the Ranchi University Museum and bears a great resemblance to the lion mosaics engraved on the Buddhist stupa at Sanchi. The Buddhist stupa of Karua village in the Dhanbad district, Dalmi on the banks of the Subarnakha river, and Budhpur on the banks of Kasai river are many relics related to Buddhism in the region. According to Wengler, these remains belong to the 10th century. On the border areas of Jharkhand and West Bengal, where the origin of discovered Buddhist ruins Chaitya is sacred place of Buddhism. In 1919 AD, Shastri discovered a Buddhist statue of black smooth stone in the garden. Its both arms were broken. A statue of Astabhuji Devi has been obtained from this place. Above this statue is a lion. An article has been received from here on which something in semi-Bengali Nagari script is inscribed. This article bears resembles to the Devpada commendation article of Vijay Sen, the ruler from Bengal. The remains of Bodh Bihar have been found from Belwadag of village in Khuti district. The bricks obtained from here are similar to the bricks and Mauryans cave bricks used in Sachi Stupa. A statue of Buddha from Katunga village in Gumla district and a statue of Mahasri Tara were recovered from the school wall in Ichagad in East Singhbhum. The statue is preserved in the Ranchi Museum from 1984 AD. A statue of Buddha from Kangjol in the Rajmahal area have been discovered by Chumingham. Four Buddha statues have also been found from Bhadrakali temple complex at Ichkhori in Chatra district. These statues belong to the 7th century and are in various postures. These idols are of sandstone, which appear to be from Harshvardhana reign. The area where Gautama Buddha preached for 45 years after the attainment of enlightenment in Bodh Gaya were included in Jharkhand region. Coins from Kanishka, the best ruler of the Kushan dynasty, have been obtained from the area around Ranchi. Kanishka, the ruler of Mahayana Buddhism, established rule over almost the entire Bihar Jharkhand region. He, with the help of ministers appointed in the area, incorporated the local resident Pulindas into Buddhism. In this way, Buddhism flourished in the Jharkhand region till the time of Kanishka. Then Vaishnavism began to have an influence on the area during the Gupta dynasty, especially during the region of Samudragupta, and the influence of Buddhism began to fade. After the fall of the Gupta dynasty, Shashank, the ruler of Bengal, established Shaivism in Bengal and destroyed many Buddhist centers. Again, the influence of Buddhism on the Jharkhand region increased during the time of Harshvardhana and Pala dynasty. The patron rulers of Buddhism, the rulers of the Pala dynasty, Gopal, Dharmpala, Devpal, etc., gave great impetus to Vajrayan, the branch of Buddhism, which also had a impact on Jharkhand region. थैंक यू दोस्तों। अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।